Peace up, A-Town down. Yeah, yeah. Okay. Let's go.
In the club with my homies, tryna get a little VI, keep it down on the low key. You should know how it feels. I saw her shorty, she was checking up for me. From the game, she was singing in my ear. You would think that she knew me. Decided to chill. Conversation got heavy. She had me feeling like she's ready to blow.
Watch out.
She's saying, come get me. So I got up and followed her to the floor. She said, baby, let's go. When I told her, I said, yeah. Got that, come get me.
Peace up, A-Town down.